Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be replacing transmission lines on a 2004 Toyota Tundra using LinesToGo part number TCL-208-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2004 Tundra, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors of the connections. Tools required: 10mm, 16mm, and 17mm wrenches, 10mm and 12mm sockets and ratchet, pliers, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Raise and support the vehicle. Underneath the front of the vehicle, use a 12mm socket to remove the 5 bolts that secure the front lower cover and remove it from the vehicle. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts that secure the clamps holding the transmission lines in place. At the front of the engine, use a pair of pliers to remove the spring clamps on the transmission hoses and remove the 2 hoses from the lines. Have a drain pan ready as fluid will be lost at this time. On the passenger side of the transmission, use a 17mm wrench to remove the 2 threaded fittings from the transmission connections. Remove the 2 transmission lines from the vehicle. Remove the 6 rubber insulators from the original lines. These will be used on the new lines. To begin the installation of your new stainless steel LinesToGo transmission lines, start by installing the line labeled A into position and start the threaded fitting by hand. Next, install the line labeled B into position and start the threaded fitting by hand. Install the rubber insulators where they were located on the original lines and replace the 3 clamps that secure the lines using a 10mm socket. Connect the 2 front hoses and secure the clamps using a pair of pliers. Tighten the 2 threaded fittings at the transmission using a 16mm wrench. Replace the front lower cover back into place and tighten the 5 bolts that secure it using a 12mm socket. Reconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. With the vehicle running in park on a flat level surface, check the transmission fluid level and top it up as required. This concludes the installation of stainless steel transmission lines on a 2004 Toyota Tundra using LinesToGo part number TCL-208-SS. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992, email us at info@linestogo.com, or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.